Hi everybody, this is Ju from SoJooCars, and today I'm here in Hyundai Manilabay, but kinda Changan Manilabay. So if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. It's a subcompact sedan. It's called Alsvin, Changan Alsvin. So let's try to find out what it has to offer with the price tag of 639,000 pesos SRP before promo and discount. So the proper name for this car is Changan Alsvin 1.5 DCT. So it's a dual clutch transmission, and this is the top variant, which is the Platinum. It only costs 639,000 pesos SRP. Now this is a sub-compact 5-seater sedan, and this car's color is actually very nice, and it reminds me of Mazda. This is a front-wheel drive that does 106 horsepower and with a max torque of 145 Newton meters of torque. For its dimension, it has 4,390 millimeters for its length, 1,725 millimeters for its width, 1,490 millimeters for its height, and the wheelbase of 2,535 millimeters. Its trunk capacity is 390 liters. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. This car looks like the front is like the old Elantra. The rear actually looks like the accent right there. So, and it also looks like a Mazda 2 somehow. So let's start from the headlight. Yeah, it comes with halogen type of projector lamp with a very nice looking design to it. Also, there are fog lamp and also the turn signal in halogen. Ooh, this design looks very interesting. And right below that, we have daytime running light or fog lamps. I have yet to find out, but it's there with chrome accents, also chrome accents. And here in the middle looks like a Lexus grille. The modern Lexus grille. Yes, and we have chrome accents with the Changan logo that people are mocking it as, you know, an inverted Acura. Yeah, it could be. And we have more chrome and a very nice sporty looking lower lip right here. Here's the lower side here in the front of the Alsvin Platinum. Okay, so the car has like some lines here and there. Yes, I don't know, maybe just because it's in the Hyundai dealership or Hyundai, it kinda keeps reminding me of Hyundai vehicles. It's just me. And looking from here, we have a line there, and we have a nice single tone alloy wheel with the Changan logo. This is a 185/55R15s. So it has a ventilated disc brake for the front. Okay. Then we have the wiper, which is banana. No, it just looks banana, but it's not banana. The A-pillar, black plastic here. Black plastic also with side repeaters. Very nice color indeed. Okay, there's a line going inside this way. Very nicely done door handles with the body color. And hey, no more door banging when you have this kind of big safety materials in your new car. So here's the window trim, and it's all black with silver accent there. Then there's no window here, but it's all plastic, and they didn't put the Changan logo here, unlike here in this CS35 Plus. If you haven't watched it, please do watch it. Then we have rear drum braking system. Alright. Here's the rear lamp that looks like the accent. They are all in halogen type. Alright. So we have the logo, the Changan, the Alsvin, and then we have 3i backup sensors, We have reflector for the rear, also reflector, it's not a fog lamp. And we have a built-in camera here, and also this is a dealership option for the dashcam that is there inside with the room mirror. So this is the platinum variant, which is the top variant of this Changan Alsvin. Okay, the lower side is plastic, and I also like it like in this area because it went a bit innerwards, so you have more clearance. Then here's the muffler, and here is the lower side of the car. Alright, the gas cap is on the right side. Okay, so that was the outside. Now let's go inside. The Alsvin comes with a remote key, a flip key that you can. Yes, even the key is very similar with Hyundai cars. Let's go inside. Oh, how do we open the car? So you can just use the key and open it. Then you have the welcome function or the walk-in function. Oh, the side mirrors are actually heated. That's interesting. It's always good to have some features in your cars like that. So it's hard plastic here with fake stitching plastic, and like a basketball kind of pattern here. And this car does come with leather, with white stitching, with power windows and power locks. You also have power window adjustment or side mirror adjustment. So you have powered side mirror adjustment. You also have traction on and off button. You also have light leveling here. You also have engine on and off function in this car, in this price point. Like you see this like in Mercedes-Benz and others. You also have a very nicely done speaker here. It's a bit dark here now. Anyway, there's a speaker. Then there's a cup holder and a bottle holder. Some compartment. And in the seats, we have manually adjusted seats. It's a leather seat with some fabric. So it's a combination of leather and fabric. Alright. It's a bit dark in here. So please bear with me. Let's try to turn on the lights here. Alright. So let's close the door. And this is the dashboard area. I really like that this car has some steering wheel controls. This price point, guys, below 700,000 pesos SRP. Then you still have more fake stitchings, and then this pattern. Then the air vents are like from Ferrari or your boss going home, but it's in gloss and in silver metallic. You also have some compartment here. Oh, nice. So you have like a few blanks here. They might be something. There's also something here. So let me use my cell phone light so we can see better. Like here, there's a compartment here, but you can actually open it. Most probably there's fuse. Then that's the hood release. And this car also has steering wheel adjustment. Let's just see if it... Okay, it only goes up and down. It's a manual type of adjustment. Then we have manual lighting system. We also have manual windshield wiper system. We have cruise control here. We have the audio control here. We also have this button right here. That's for the right side camera to function, which I kind of forgot to film. I will show it to you. We have a flat bottom steering wheel, but it is not covered or wrapped in leather. It is just hard plastic. And that's the instrument cluster. You have two screens on the left and on the right. So it doesn't come with a tachometer. Then we have a floating type of touchscreen or infotainment system that is integrated with physical buttons. Look at this volume dial. It's so big, which we love so much, and it has a blue accent, which I really love. So we have home button and previous and next, and display button with metallic accent and some gloss accent, which really feels like a Hyundai, to be honest. Then we have some compartment there. We have the glove box. Let's open it. So the glove box is quite spacious. Yun. So we have airbags. This has dual airbags and no other airbags on other sides. And this car actually comes with a normal room mirror. It's a touchscreen type. Changan! There's a mirror for the passenger side. And we have grab handles for 3 passengers and not the driver. So we have here the dual clutch transmission and USB port and the 12 volt and some compartment. So this is the 5-speed dual clutch transmission, and it comes with sport mode. And I also like that the car comes with a manual handbrake, and I really love that. Then we have 2 cup holders. Nice. There's leather also here. Then we have a very nice center console with leather with white stitching. And this is how big or small the compartment is. It's actually quite nice size for this kind of vehicle. Alright, that's very nice. Let's go to the second row and let me see if there... Oh my goodness, this car has nice map lights. They're in halogen. But this car comes with sunroof. Oh my goodness. This car comes with sunroof. I know not everyone is a fan of sunroof, but when you have it, like, you can say goodbye using the sunroof, and that's always very cute. Now let me bring you to the second row. So this is the second row. Everything here is plastic, but you have metallic finish or brushed aluminum finish of door handles. More patterns here, same as the front door, and you have leather padded, quite soft and stitched armrest. Then you have the speaker and bottle holder and another compartment there. And the entire... so this is also a combination of leather and fabric, but you have more leather than fabric. The rear is actually in fabric, and there are no pouches. There's a cubby hole down there, right behind the center console. Yes, we have grab handles. And we don't have armrest here. Then this is the rear side. You can actually put something there. And this seat over here is like a bench type. Let's see if we can flip it down, and we have ISO fix right here. Alright. So this car also comes with a trunk opening function. Click it twice and it opens like that. There you go. Oh, here at the rear, we have a very small mini shark fin antenna, which is similar with this CX-35. We have defoggers, and we have a third brake light. Yun. Actually, there's a light here for the trunk, and the trunk space is actually very, very spacious. Yeah, it is very spacious. You can put like 2 large luggage. Now let's use this strap here and let's see what's under. So we have an emergency donut type of emergency or spare tire. The tools and jack must be together with the wheels, but the dealership took them out because it's not safe now. Then that's how it is. Let's close it. Oh, did you see what happened? When I closed the trunk, it blinked. Let's do it again. Oh, that's attention to detail. Okay. So let's check out the engine bay. So for you to release, there you go. Oh, and the trunk and the gas cap release is there as well. So let's open this. Alright. So this is the engine bay. It says Blue Core VVT with a manual strut and insulated with the Changan logo. I want to show this to you, so I will use my head to actually hold on to that. Oh, my head really hurts, but I can do it. There you go, just for the vlog. There you go. You see, I'm actually using my head to hold on to this just for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button. Alright, good thing it wasn't that heavy. Let's put it down, and it's down. Now let me show you maybe the headlights and the hazard and all. So there you go, and also the hazard, so we know how it looks like. Yun. Now it doesn't have anything because the engine is not in on position, so let's do that. Whoa, wow, so the battery is low. Oh no. So we have a very nice, very big volume dial, very nice. And this is actually a touch screen, like car settings. This car actually has some settings for the car setup and the lock functions, and also the light set. Yes, and also the air condition. You see that? It has like auto ventilation, auto window ventilation, automatic drying of AC, a lot of those things. And I really love how they did it. I mean, it's so fast, it's so easy. And I also like this screen. It's so cute. Look, when I'm controlling this, it's actually showing there also. Very well integrated. And I like it so fast. Look, it's instant. Like, I can play with this all day. And also this, I also like this screen. It's very tiny, but it's very, very clear. You see that? It's so cool. I wish I had more time to check out this one, but this floating type of entertainment system, it's very, very cool. And let's see, maybe if I can start the car. Oh, I cannot start the car. Come on. Yun. So when you start the car, I think that's the time you can see the daytime running light. There you go. Now we are looking at the daytime running light. It looks fantastic actually. Very nice. The car's very quiet. It's very, very nice. Okay, so you have the dealer function, and then we have this one. So, oh, nice. It's very nice. It even has a sunroof in this price point, and I also like this being manual type. Thank you very much everyone for watching this. So thank you everybody for watching this video. It was a very, very quick tour. I'm sorry the dealership is closing and we need to go home. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment if you want to purchase this one. PM me, DM me, and if you want insurance, please also do contact me. And if you want accessories, please also do contact me, especially for KOOL and Dashcams and Diamond Bright. Alright, this was Ju from SoJooCars. May our dreams come true. See you in the next video. Bye bye.